What's up, guys? On a day like today. What's up, Beans? Sorry, Coffee Beans. I need to acknowledge you. You guys see all that snow? Not my favorite. Not my favorite, but this is what we're dealing with. So, I figure since that's what we're dealing with today will be a perfect day to make a nice giant pot of homemade chicken noodle soup. So I'm actually in the middle of my workout, but I forgot that I was going to vlog today, so I'm just trying to catch you guys up, and then I'm going to go finish the other part of my workout. Actually, I want to get this water boiling so I can start boiling my whole chicken and get that going, and then I'm going to let that boil for a couple hours, I guess, to get that chicken nice and tender. Lex is not here. She is with her father. Well, hello. Say hello. Look at him. He's a little chunker now. You little plumper. Little plumper chucker. Little plumper chucker. Plumper chucker. Little plumper chucker. Anyway, gone. He took them sledding. Her, and a few of her friends. So when they get back, they'll have a nice, delicious, homemade, hot bowl of soup or pot of soup waiting for them when they get back. And then I'm going to try to relax. I'm trying to talk and open stuff, and I'm gonna put I'll put 2 cubes in there now, because I'm gonna put chicken. Let me show you what I'm putting in there. I am putting chicken stock and also bone broth in there. I should put some of my collagen, but it's super expensive, so I'll keep that for myself. Anyway, put a couple chicken bouillon in there. Then I'll put that chicken in there and let it boil, and we'll get the ball rolling on this. Alright, chicken is going. Now I'll just chop up the veggies. So I'm gonna put carrot, celery, fresh parsley, onion, and maybe some spinach. I never put spinach in there before, but one of the doctors at work today mentioned putting spinach in her chicken noodle soup. And I said, you know what, I haven't done it. I just bought spinach yesterday for what I made yesterday. So I will try some spinach in my chicken soup today. But I think I got, oh yeah, I got an onion. I didn't buy one yesterday because I knew I had one in there, but a lot of times I think I got something and I don't have it. And I end up going in there and they end up having to run to the store again because I thought I had it and I didn't have it. So I bought some nice bushy carrots, and ooh, it came out. Celery. I'm not going to do this, but I thought about throwing some zucchini in there, but zucchini gets so mushy. I think I'll do something else with the zucchini that I bought. I don't want to put zucchini in my soup. So I think we're good. That's enough because I got my noodles and I got the thin ones. I didn't want those big fat noodles. So I got the medium, not thin, the medium egg noodles. So chop that up and get it going. Actually, that chicken's got a couple hours, at least another hour and a half anyway, to boil. I want that chicken to be so tender it's just falling off the bone when I take it out to let it cool before shredding it off the bone. And then I let my veggies cook in that broth by themselves for a while. And then when those are just about done, because the chicken will be done, then I'll put the shredded chicken back in there. And you know what? I think I'll do the noodles first. I'll cook the noodles and then I'll throw the shredded chicken back in there, and then we'll be good to go. And then guys, I got these. I really like these. I usually have to end up going to the store buying them again because my family eats them up before. I always buy them to go with the soup, but they'll eat them before I even cook the soup. So I got 2 boxes this time. But these minis, I love these because you can just pour them right in the soup, and they're tiny, they're little crackers. So you don't have to worry about trying to crunch up the big crackers. You just, the minis. No, this video is not sponsored. Carrots, celery, my eyes are burning. And this will go in at the end. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put the spinach in. I think this will be enough and stuff. And then we got the noodles over there. So I don't know. I haven't decided on the spinach yet. The guinea pigs will enjoy those scraps. And I'll just put the rest of these carrots in the fridge because we don't need the rest of them. We got enough. Alright guys, this is done. The only thing left for me to do is put my fresh chopped parsley in it. I'm just going to turn this down to a simmer. I'll put this parsley in now. Might not even need all that parsley. What is this large pot? But this is done. So when my hubby and my baby comes in, they will have some nice hot soup waiting on them. And it's getting dark, guys. Look at this snowstorm. Oh my gosh. They're still out there in that. This doesn't do it justice because the windows are fogging up a little bit. Let me go around to the front where the windows are not fogged up. Let me see. Get out of there. Come on out of there. Let's see. Oh, man. So, I showed the beginning of this snowstorm, or I thought it was just about over, but nope. Look like it's taking a second wind, getting a second wind and taking another deep breath in. Here we are. So, all right, guys. I'm going to end this here. I'm going to go mix my food and turn it off and get into some good reading of the good book and enjoy my peace and quiet while nobody's here. Aaron went to work, so he's not going to be here until tonight. So anyway, Beans, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Thumbs up this video, like this video, and share this video. And I will see you guys on the next video. Mwah.